Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about dahlias. You may hear it called Dahlia or Dahlia. They're named after Mr. Dahl, so it is Dahlia. Thanks, VJ Dyer, for that. The trick with the dahlias to keep them alive as long as possible is using boiling water. Yes, as hot as you can from your teapot. About 1 inch. Then take each stem, give it a cut, drop it in with the heads away from the steam to protect them. Shout out to FDI certified graduate. Linda grew these dahlias and she sells them to florists around the Pacific Northwest from Bare Root Farms. Now you know how to keep them alive as long as possible. Boiling water, let it cool to room temperature, and then design as you like.